What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can improve your order management inside your WooCommerce store by adding comments or special notes or special handling for specific customers. So let's say you have a customer that you want to add special items every time he orders, or you have special shipping handling, or it could be anything for this specific customer, and it could be useful to see that text or the comment that you add inside every single order that the customer makes. And this one I'm going to be showing you guys and how you can do this and how it works. So let's start. Let's say I just added a comment for myself here and I made an order. So if we go inside the order, you will see here that there is a special comment for the user and what the comment actually is. Now I type test just to test this, but you can go ahead and customize this and change it however you want. You can add any comment you want. I'll show you guys where to add this comment. So let's go to the profiles page, and here you will see comments for users, and this comment, only admins can see this comment, so the customer will not be able to see this. It's only for you that are running the store, of course. So let's go ahead and let's say there isn't any comment for the customer. What will happen is you will see this text instead: no comments found for the user. Now, of course, we can also disable this text if we want. So if the user does not have any special comments, we just don't want to see anything. That also works. And I'll show you guys how you can do it. Now for this, you need two things. You will need the code snippet that I'll be sharing with you guys. You will find it in the description. And second of all, you will need a plugin called snippets or code snippets. Also put the link down below. Now, or you can just put the code inside your functions.php like I did in here. You can just put it inside here if you prefer that. But not everyone knows how to do that, and not everyone is familiar with code. So for easy access, or you can just turn it off also and turn it on, the code, just put it inside the code snippet plugin. So let's go ahead and do that first. So what we're going to do is we're going to be naming this comments. For example, you can name it whatever you want, and we're going to be pasting in the code snippet that is in the description. You will find it. I think I'll put it on my GitHub, so it's going to be easier just to copy the code. So we're going to copy the code here. We need to disable it from here. We're going to paste it, and we're going to make sure that it says only run in administration area. Not really necessary, because the code will run only in the admin anyways, but you can do it if you want. Now I see there's a typo in here, message. Now I'll show you guys how you can customize this. So here you can see this function is responsible for creating the field inside this page in here, the profiles page. So you can customize the title of the form. You can customize the text that said only admins can see the comments. You can also customize here, write a comment for the user, example special shipping. So if you have multiple people on your WooCommerce store managing orders, this could be useful for them. If they want to add a comment, they need to know what this form is for. So you can add a description here, and you can change it however you want. And here we do not want to mess with anything. This function is responsible for saving the field. We're saving it as a user meta in the database. And this function here is responsible for showing the message inside the order. So basically in here, let me show you guys again, just so you guys can understand. This function is responsible for showing the text in here. So here you can change the text basically. So here it says there is a special comment for the user. You can change this text however you want. And here also, if there is no comment, it will say no comments found for the user. If you do not want to display anything, if there's no comment, you can just remove this. So we can just go ahead and remove this, and it will not display anything. So it will only display the text if there is a comment. So let's go ahead and save and activate this. There you go, it's activated. So if you go back to the order, you will not see anything because we removed the code that were responsible for displaying the text if there's no comments. So let's go ahead and go to the profiles page again, and we're going to type a comment here. Let's say, yeah, for example, special shipping. Just go ahead and do that. Update profile. If we go back to the order, refresh, and you will see this comment. Now you will see this comments for every single order that this specific customer makes. So this is really useful. Makes your life easier. Me, myself, knowing how hard it could be sometimes. If you have some special customers that, you know, they have some special handling, it could be hard to, you know who are these customers and what the special handling is. So this will make your life a little bit easier, I hope. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. As I said, the code snippet will be in the description. You can go ahead and download it and put it inside the code snippet plugin or inside your functions.php file in your theme. It does not matter. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and peace out.